Good morning, grade 7s. Today in Natural Sciences, we will be discussing boiling points and melting points of different substances. Our activities are going to come from page 68 in our platinum books. So I need you to have your platinum books in front of you for this lesson. First of all, we're going to look at water as a substance. Water comes in three phases or states, which are your solid, liquid, and your gas. And when you heat water up from a solid, when water is a solid and it's called ice, and when you heat it up, it becomes a liquid. The temperature for water from solid to liquid is at roughly 0 degrees Celsius. And once you continue heating this water, it will reach its boiling point, which is 100 degrees Celsius. But sometimes water does not necessarily boil at 100 degrees Celsius, depending where you are. For example, when you're in Johannesburg, water will boil at roughly 96 degrees Celsius because of the lower air pressure in the air. So our lesson today, we're going to look at boiling points and melting points of different substances. Let's also bear in mind that we've got keywords on page 68, which we need to focus on to help us answer our activity. Our activity for today is going to be activity 4 on page 68. It's a case study, and we're going to be reading about the boiling and melting points of different materials. First of all, before you start with the case study, I want you to familiarize with yourself with key concepts, namely melting points, boiling points, electrical conductors, electrical insulators, and electrical conductivity. All of those keywords are in page 68 in your books. So I want you to read the case study on your own, and then I want you to answer activity 4. Activity 4, you've got questions 1, 2, and 3. And then I'll be discussing further in the Zoom meeting. Thank you.